They wear robes, they speak in Latin, they cite precedent in careful measured prose, and they have systematically dismantled every constitutional protection you thought you had, not out of ignorance, out of intention.
Judges are not neutral arbiters, they are philosopher kings, unelected, unaccountable, armed with the most dangerous weapon the state possesses. The pen that makes oppression legal when the state cages you. The judge doesn't ask whether the caging was just the judge asks whether you have standing when the officer beats you. The judge doesn't ask whether it was constitutional. The judge asks whether the right was clearly established. The violence disappears in judicial opinions. What remains is procedure, doctrine, the careful architecture of your defeat. They are not failing to protect you.
They are protecting the state from you. You were told you have the right to petition for redress. The First Amendment says so. What they didn't tell you, the forum itself is the trap. The moment you enter it, you accept judicial authority. You submit to rules that favor the state. You allow judges, state employees to decide whether the state violated your rights. And when you lose, the system points to your participation as evidence that justice was done. The forum doesn't exist to give you justice. It exists to manufacture the appearance of justice for predetermined outcomes. That is its only function. The Constitution contains no grant of immunity to state officials. Read it, find it. It is not there. Qualified immunity invented. Absolute prosecutorial immunity invented. Sovereign immunity invented. Judicial immunity. Judges protected themselves first, most completely, without apology. They wrote their own immunity with their own pens in their own courts and called it law. The Seventh Amendment, your right to a jury trial, eliminated through summary judgment. The Ninth Amendment, unenumerated right shall not be denied, rendered invisible, a nullity as if it does not exist. The 13th Amendment, involuntary servitude prohibited, gutted. Anything labeled a civic duty escapes scrutiny. Amendment by amendment, clause by clause, case by case. The systematic surgical dismantlement of every constitutional constraint on state power. The courts will not recognize that you did not consent to be born. The courts will not recognize that the social contract is a fiction. The courts will not recognize that the state owns your life, even though Glucksberg said exactly that, because doing so would require courts to declare their own authority illegitimate. No institution declares itself illegitimate. The judiciary is not the remedy for life slavery. It is one of its primary architects. They swore an oath to the Constitution. They dismantled. They took salaries from the state, whose victims they were sworn to protect. They wrote elegant opinions, explaining why your oppression is lawful, why your captivity is constitutional. And they signed their names to it. Philosopher kings in robes with pensions, building your architecture of your enslavement, one opinion at a time.